Creepage distance refers to the shortest distance between two adjacent conductors or one conductor, and the adjacent motor housing surface measured along the non-insulating surface. The creepage distance can be determined according to the working voltage and insulation level. But usually first, the primary side AC part. Before the fuse Ln is equal to 5 mm, Ln earth is greater than or equal to 5 mm. Do not do requirements after the fuse, but try to keep a certain distance from short circuit to avoid short circuit damage to the power supply. Second, the primary side AC part is greater than or equal to 20 mm. Third, side DC to ground greater than or equal to 40 mm, such as a side to the earth. Fourth, if the distance between the feet of components, such as optocouplers and Y capacitors, is less than or equal to 6 mm, slot should be open. Fifth, the distance between the feet of the secondary side is greater than or equal to 0.5 mm. Sixth, the distance between the ground and the earth on the secondary side is greater than or equal to 20 mm. XZH Technology Co. Ltd. is a one-stop PCBA service provider. Subscribe to me. Click here to know more about PCBA.